Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the Antutu benchmark test results between the Mi 10i versus the Poco X3 Pro device. The Mi 10i has got the Snapdragon 750G processor, and whereas the Poco X3 Pro, which has been launched recently, which has got the Snapdragon 860 chipset. So a lot of users are really confused which phone to prefer, like Mi 10i because it has got other advantages, and either to choose the Poco X3 Pro. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends. I'm coming up with that kind of video where I'll be comparing both phones side by side. Then I'll try to give my quick thoughts as well, which phones to select. But this video is all about the performance and Antutu benchmark test results. So let's see, friends, how much difference can we expect. And in case if you want to download these live wallpapers, so make sure to check the links in description and other phone related playlist as well. So first thing is that I did order my Poco X3 Pro device, and it will be arriving very soon as well. So meanwhile, let's see the Antutu benchmark test results which are gathered online, the screenshots. So these are Poco X3 Pro's Antutu benchmark test results, as you can see here, friends, clearly. And here is the Mi 10i's Antutu benchmark test results. You can see 3,39,000, and in the Snapdragon 860 chipset you're getting about 4,76,000. you can clearly see 750G versus Snapdragon 860. And the Poco X3 Pro has got two other advantages: UFS 3.1 read and write speed storage, and even maybe they might launch the 8GB variant slightly less price than the Mi 10i device. So that is what I am hoping for. Let's see, friends, what will the price in India by the time they are launching. But these are the quick comparison, friends, in case if you want to differentiate how much performance it will be different, as you can see here. So one thing is that, so in terms of the gaming, I would definitely highly recommend to buy Snapdragon 860, because few of the games like PUBG and other games, they'll be optimized to the higher graphics level in this Snapdragon 860. In the 750G process, what happened is that with the PUBG game and other games, the PUBG game is slightly decreased to the smooth and ultra settings only by default without using any GFX tool. But maybe in this Snapdragon 860 phone, we might get smooth and extreme settings by default. So there is a quite difference, friends. But once I get my mobile phone, then definitely I'll try to do in-depth comparisons with other smartphones which I got in my channel. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those in detail comparisons as well. So meanwhile, do comment below, friends, what are the other videos you want me to make on this particular other phones which I'm having right now. And very soon I'll be getting the Poco X3 Pro as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.